Hello, and welcome to the Accelerated Bachelors of Science in Nursing program. We are currently at the Learning Site in St. Louis, Missouri. Today, we'll take a tour of the simulation suite, skills lab, testing room, and other great resources that are available at each of our learning sites. Let's go take a look. Welcome to the immersive simulation suite. As you can see, it's set up just like an actual hospital. That's to give you real practical experience while you're still in school. During these simulations, you will interact with mannequins and standardized patients. The immersive simulation technicians run the equipment from the control room. Some of these mannequins can blink, breathe, and show respiration. They can even create lung and bowel sounds. Some also have a pulse so you can check their heart rate as well as perform IV insertion. One of our mannequins is called Sim Mom. She can demonstrate a full live birth scenario or a C-section. This is to give learners a genuine experience in a controlled environment. Each scenario is recorded so that once the simulation is over, learners can adjourn here to the debrief room. This is where a facilitator will discuss what went well, what they could have done better, using video-guided debriefing techniques. This is our skills lab, where students can come in to practice the necessary skills that they'll need in a clinical setting. As a nursing student, you're going to perform activities such as head-to-toe assessments, checking for vital signs, urinary catheter insertions, IV insertions, and medication administration. On your first day of lab instruction, you will have access to the equipment and supplies necessary to begin learning nursing skills. As a nurse, you may be required to do home health assessments. Here, we have a home health room fully furnished for you to perform simulations. Everyone needs a little help every now and then, which is why Grand Canyon University created the Practice Lab. Practice Labs are a voluntary lab you can sign up for if you may be struggling in an area. For example, let's say you are having an issue with IV insertions. These labs will have nursing instructors on hand to assist you in those very IV insertions you may be struggling with and help you practice until you get it right. It's one of the many tools that Grand Canyon provides to help you throughout the program. This is just one example of the classrooms that we have at our ABSN locations. Here you'll perform HESI examinations, content exams, as well as doing orientation. Welcome to the Student Lounge. This is your space. This space has been designed to have everything you would need for a full day's work here at the Learning Site. You can make your lunches here, you can eat your lunches here, you can hang out with friends, you can study, or just see how everybody's doing. This program is both immersive and intensive, allowing you to complete your nursing education in just 16 months. The accelerated timeline is designed to help students to be able to enter the workforce quickly while being prepared to handle the demands of a professional nursing career. Thank you for taking the time to tour our ABSN Learning Site here in St. Louis, Missouri for GCU's Accelerated Bachelors of Science in Nursing program. For more information, please visit gcu.edu.